Hi everyone and welcome to my channel today. I'm here to share one of my lovely recipes I've been doing for years. So if you're following the alkaline diet, well this is the perfect recipe for you. It's delicious and very nutritious for the family, lots of vegetables. I just want to make a couple of notes that if you have um, white rice other than brown rice, you are adding more acid to the body. So the objective of these videos that I'm doing is to give people some ideas on how to keep their diet alkaline. So if you can keep your diet alkaline, you don't have inflammation and your body's getting the right nutrients delivered. So white rice, I'm not saying don't have white rice, but if you want to have a healthier choice, do have the brown rice. It goes really well with this. The other thing too, I chose to do the light coconut cream. Of course, you can use the normal coconut cream if you want to, so a little bit thicker in the sauce, but that's up to you. It doesn't make any difference. It's still all alkaline. I just prefer to do it that way. So you can adjust your vegetables as well. If you don't have everything there and you've got something else in its place, you can do that too. These are just guidelines of what I do in the regular vegetable department in this one. So I do hope you enjoy it. It's an absolutely delicious recipe. It's not hot or spicy. It's a nice korma taste. And you can see pictures at the end of the recipe to see what it looks like. I hope you enjoy it. I do hope you try it, and it's a great way to alkaline the body. So share it with your family and friends, and I would really appreciate it if you liked and subscribed to my channel and shared this with other people to keep their inflammation in check. So have a great day. And I'm so appreciative and in gratitude for you watching my video today. And stay tuned for the next recipe. Thank you and bye for now.